Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a really cool offering from our friends over at Govee. Now you guys have probably seen me talk about this bedside light, table lamp, whatever you want to call it. This thing is amazing, guys. It's one of my favorite lights here in the studio that I use a lot of times when I'm watching movies at night and things like that. But this right here is the new hotness. Now this is from Govee. This is the Table Lamp 2 Pro. We're going to take this over to the desk. I'm going to show you guys all the cool features, compare them in size, and you'll be able to decide which of these two will be perfect for your home, your office, your man cave, your she shed, whatever the case it may be. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys. So I wanted you to have something to compare these two. So this is the first model that we've looked at a couple of weeks ago. And as I said, I am a huge fan of this, but this is a huge upgrade. Now, both of these have tactile controls on top. As you guys can see here on the top of this unit, we have our power button, we have our modes, we have our volume controls, or intensity controls. Now, where this one differs, this one actually has a JBL speaker built into it, and you're going to be able to control that speaker, which is outstanding that we have such a cool new feature. Now, this one also has another feature that the other one doesn't. This one actually has a battery inside. So what's cool about that is that now we can take this guy out without having to plug it into any type of power. Now, both of them are going to come with these little power bricks that you'll be able to plug into your AC power, but this one has that internal battery. That means you can take that out in the backyard, you can take it into your family room, you can go through different modes with it. So what we're going to feature and focus on going forward in this video is going to be this model right here. So let's go ahead and get rid of the others. So now we have just the main event here on the table. You guys can kind of get an idea. The camera is going to adjust a little bit for the lighting and everything, but I want you guys to be able to see all of the cool things that you can do with this new light. Now you have two separate areas. You have a top and a bottom, and you'll be able to control those separately. I will show you guys here in a little bit with the smartphone app how you'll be able to utilize that. Now this is going to work with Meta. It's going to work with Google Home. It's going to work obviously with your Govee app. You have a lot of cool things that you can do right here. We can cycle through the different modes by just tapping on the top here. As you guys see here on the top, I can cycle through sounds. You guys are listening to the fire effect right now. That is amazing, guys. Let's go to a different one. Now these are all built-in sound effects. This will be great for a nursery. I think this would be ideal maybe for sleeping, taking a nap. I try to get one in every day. We got kind of a water bubble effect. I don't know what to think about that one, but you know. All right, we have some ocean waves. Really nice. Ah, now that's nice. Yes, that has a very ethereal sound to it. I like that a lot. And this is going to be like one of your solid colors. This is going to be great for mood, you know, for just normal room lighting or something like that. There's your white light. And as I said, you can cycle through these whenever you want. You do have a volume control here as well, so you can lower or increase the volume of this, the ability to switch it on and off like that. You can also put this into sleep mode by just pressing and holding this button right here, and it'll blink and then it'll turn off. Now you can also turn it back on the same way. You're just going to press and hold that button, and that's going to power everything back on. So let me show you guys some of the cool things that we can do with the smartphone app. So once you open your Govee app, it's going to be really easy to set everything up. If this is on, it should automatically recognize it the way it does right now. So I can just click add, and then it's going to search for the device. And once it connects to it, it's going to tell us to hold the power button for a few seconds. And at this point, we can give it a name. So we're going to call this one the Table Lamp Pro 2, and done. Now it's going to walk you through some of the functions related to the lamp. So we can just go got it. And there is a new update version for this. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade this just so I can show you guys what the procedure looks like. So you just hit the upgrade now, and it's going to allow you to download the new update, and then it will install it onto the lamp. As you can see, the update is going pretty quickly. I do highly recommend any new devices that you get, especially if it's something that utilizes Wi-Fi or interacts with your smart devices, that you take the time to check to see if there are any feature updates or firmware updates. It'll just make the use of the device that much easier and that much more fun for you and your family. All right, guys, now that our update is complete, it is ready to rock and roll. So at this point, we can go through our different scenes. We have the ability to turn the lamp on and off from your phone, just like so. You can also adjust the brightness intensity. You also have colors, scenes, illumination, music, share space. You have your DIY, you have your finger sketching, you have your AI, which is basically just a smart AI app that you can use to create different color effects and things like that. You can also go in and you can choose, let's start here at the bottom, different colors. And right now I'm just kind of cycling through some of those colors, as you guys see here. Okay. And then we can go up and we can choose from some of these scenes. So we have our scenes. There's our rainbow. And this one does have the sound effects. Forest also has sound effects. There's our ocean, waves, fire, sunrise, sunset, this is the aurora, firefly. Now, I'm not going to go through each and every one of these, but I want you guys to see that there's a huge amount of different effects that you can use with this. You also have some other effects here, like, snowflakes. You have clouds, so many that you can test and play with and, basically customize this however you want to. And we're still just in the scenes, okay? So the next thing is going to be your illuminations. And that is just basic presets where you can determine, how bright you want something to be for relaxation, for reading, work, or whatever the case it may be. Music, I like this effect. With this one, what is nice about it is you can activate it by sound, or as long as it's picking up my voice. You guys see we have a pattern that's going on here. And if I switch it to a different pattern, it's basically going to do the same thing. It's going to respond to my voice, or so this is such a well thought out device, guys. Beautiful sound from the speakers. You have your DIY that you can go in and create your own effects. You have your fingerprint sketching where you can go in and draw pretty much your own effects. So you have a lot of cool things, and you can even do things using the AI. So I can click on the AI here and I can hold to talk. Create a sunset scene for summertime.
You got it. I can do that for you.
And there we have it. A beautiful sunset type of lighting effect. This is going to be ideal in a room, where you want it to be just a little bit subdued, not heavy light, just a light application in a room. This is perfect. So let's see what else we can get here. Let's go back. And then, of course, you have your more, where you can go through all of these different effects and experiment with all the different things that you can do with it. So let's look at some of the features of the lamp itself. You do have the ability to turn off sections of the lamp. So if you don't want the base to be on, or if you just want the base on, you can leave that on, or you can switch that vice versa. I like having them both on, but you have all of those controls right within your fingertips here in the app. You have white noise that you can generate with this as well. It has a lot of presets already here. You have your bird chirps. There's a breeze. There's a cockatoo. Different breezing effects, rivers. So it has just a huge amount of things that you can play with, guys. I know some people like to sleep to the sound of rain, so you have that as an effect as well. So you can go through these and just kind of play with them at your leisure. I am so impressed with this device, guys. Now, when we get into our holidays, oh, that's a whole nother thing. Let's go to fireworks here. That is so cool. So we could have fireworks, we could have Christmas themes, Halloween themes. Let's look at our universe, which is going to be galaxies, deep sea. And just as easily, you can turn off the white noise. Now you have timers that you can set as well. You can have this set to auto turn on, auto turn off. You have a lot of different features. You have a wake up, a sleep, all of those things you can preset here within the app. So the Govee app gives you a lot of flexibility, guys, when it comes to utilizing something like this lamp. I am a huge fan. I can easily see how this can be incorporated into my everyday relaxation time. I could even see if you have two of these. Now that's what's when it's really all comes together, because you can actually pair these up and have them mirror each other when they create different type of sounding and lighting effects and things like that, which is really nice. So you have some other things that you can go through here, but I don't want this video to be much longer than it already is, because we're probably getting at that 10-minute mark. I just really wanted to take you guys through some of these scenes to show you some of the amazing things that you can do with this new lamp. So hopefully this video has been inspirational, entertaining, and educational at the same time. All right, guys, it's your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to put this little video together for you and show you this amazing product from Govee. Now with the JBL speakers built into it, this guy is a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.